Yo, what day is it? Beach Day! Beach, beach, ball, beach, beach,
Refrigerator!
Refrigerator?
I couldn't find the cooler.
Oh, yeah! The beach! Time for a day of fun and relaxation.
Yes! Relaxation!
Huh. The beach sure seems a lot screamier than usual. Ah, well, it's probably nothing. Here we go, yo! The perfect spot to park our feathered fun and So, what do you want to do first on our big beach day? Get a tan, build a sandcastle, dig a deep hole for no apparent reason?
I want to go swimming!
Then swimming we shall go.